guys, so I just got to Winners, and then after Winners we're gonna hit up this designer shoe warehouse. I don't know what it is, but hopefully it has some good things because I need shoes like ASAP. So that'll be good. And then after meeting Wallace at the gym, which is good, a nice workout before sushi. So my stepmom just got here right beside me, so I'm gonna go shopping with her. So I will see you guys. Hi guys, so right now it is 6:40. I left the house like at 2 o'clock and I've been out ever since. Basically I went to Winners. I'm sorry I didn't vlog at any of the stores, but I was just really busy trying on clothes and then deciding what I like and then going shoe shopping and then going to 2 different types of Walmart. Basically, in Toronto tonight, we are getting a snowstorm. Well, it's supposed to be a snowstorm that everyone's talking and freaking out about. So, we aren't going downtown for sushi. We're gonna go like closer to us for sushi with my cousins and dad and stepmom. And then after sushi, we're going to go, where are we going? Oh yeah, we're going to my dad's house and stepmom's house to play some board games, card games and stuff, just hang out basically. So when I went shopping, I bought a bunch of clothes that, I don't know, I can't really show you right now because they're all getting clean. I don't know, Ross is screaming at me. But I need to show you the shoes that I got for my early birthday present. I gotta show you. They are so freaking nice. So I wanted heels for a very long time. And finally got a very nice pair. They're high, but they're good. So right now it's snowing outside, so I'm gonna go outside and show you guys. I'm so excited. Me and Wallace have been talking like we really want to go like tobogganing, sledding. We want to go skiing and that kind of stuff, but like there hasn't been snow. Luckily there's snow, so I'm gonna show you guys. Come with me. Look guys, there's finally snow. It's snowing pretty hard right now. I'm so excited to finally get snow. Look, there wasn't even that much there wasn't even that much snow on Wallace's car, and look. There's so much snow. Hi guys, we're leaving Wallace's house right now. It's very, very snowy. Look. Look how much snow there is already. So cold. Okay, we are off to sushi, so we will see you guys at sushi. So we just finished dinner and Wallace is driving now. It's freezing rain, so it's slippery out. And we are going back to my dad's house with my cousins. And we're going to play some board games. We finally found Quelf, so we're going to be playing that. So I'm going to vlog it because if you guys don't know, Quelf is a really, really fun game. And we're going to play some categories. So we will be vlogging. We're also, I think, going to be baking cookies, so that's going to be fun. And we will see you guys. How did you enjoy dinner? You're full. You're full. Oh, don't, we did it. We inside. Okay guys, we're just approaching my dad's house, so we will see you guys. Peace. Okay, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my god, what's wrong?
What? Okay. And yeah, pay the penalty if you laugh. Kumbaya, my lord. Kumbaya. Kumbaya, my lord. Kumbaya. Kumbaya, my lord. Kumbaya. Oh, Lord, kumbaya.
You laughed? farm,
E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm we had a dog.
We had a Haley, E-I-E-I-O. And she made a here and a here. McDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm we had a Howard, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm we had a E-I-E-I-O. And a here and a here. McDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm we had a Daniel. I forget the word. E-I-E-I-O. So after a long drive, well, it felt forever in this huge snowstorm. Yeah, it's right there, but watch it. We finally, oh my, we finally got to the fucking. Sorry about that, a car was being stupid. Oh, there's a funny thing. So we just got to the restaurant. Yay! Are you excited to eat sushi?
Yep. That was like the most horrifying fucking drive ever.
Yeah. Look, you can even see. You can't see anything. That was a long drive. And the snow is gonna keep going. But I heard tomorrow it's gonna be warm, so it's all gonna melt. Which is very sad because I really want to go sledding.
Hey, what's up guys? I know I haven't vlogged a lot today because Shaina had the camera the whole day and I had nothing to vlog with. It's currently 3 o'clock in the morning and we just got back from Shaina's dad's house. I just finished showering. I had to shovel the snow. It was such a bad snowstorm as you saw. Like when Shaina vlogged earlier, it got worse because it was raining, so ice started forming and then the whole car was just all ice. So yeah, so basically Shaina went to a mall today. She shopped for a bit and then she came back. I was at the gym and then we went for dinner for sushi. Went back to Shaina's dad's house to play a board game called Quelf. We didn't vlog much of the game because I don't know, we were just too into the game and we didn't have the camera in handy, but we took a little video and a picture. Well, yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video today. I know it's been quite hectic and like I haven't been vlogging a lot. So I'm just gonna end the video right now. So hit the thumbs up button if you like this video, if you enjoyed watching it. Comment down below, you know, and subscribe if you're new. So I will see you guys next time at Vlogsmas 6. Peace.